Hey guys, today we're going to make a mini wreath which can be used as Christmas decor or as a Christmas tree ornament. For your setup, you will need a 2-inch ring and 4.5 feet of 3mm single strand twisted cotton string. Leave 6 inches of rope on one end and then attach your rope to your ring using a lark's head knot. Continue tying lark's head knots all the way around your ring. Use the ends to hang your ornament or flip it around and tie a bow at the bottom and use a thread to hang it. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, it would really help me out if you could hit the thumbs up below, leave a comment, and/or share it. Tutorial requests are always welcome, so drop a comment below if you're interested in a specific knot or pattern tutorial. I love to see your work, so please feel free to tag me on Instagram or Facebook.